Hello students, welcome to my channel eMath tutorial. Today we are going to see about the 12 deadliest viruses in the world. Humans have been battling viruses since before our species had even evolved in its modern form. Here are the 12 worst killers based on the likelihood that a person will die if they are infected with one of them. Let's see one by one. The first is the Morbuck Virus. It's originated from Germany in the year 1967. Morbuck virus can cause hemorrhagic fever, meaning that infected people develop high fevers and bleeding throughout the body that can lead to shock, organ failure and finally to death. Next is the Ebola virus. It is originated from Republic of Sudan and Democratic Republic of Congo in the year 1976. Ebola is spread through contact with blood or other body fluids or tissue from infected people or through animals. Rabies. It's originated in India and Africa in the year 1920. Rabies destroys the brain. If you don't get proper treatment, there is a 100% possibility that you will die. And the next is the HIV. It is originated from the African region in the year 1980. HIV is the deadliest virus in the modern world. An estimated 32 million people have died from HIV since the early 1980s. Smallpox. It's originated from Europe in the year 1980. Smallpox killed about 1 in 3 of those infected. It left survivors with deep, permanent scars and often blindness. Hantavirus. It's originated from United States in the year 1993. Hantavirus is not transmitted from one person to another. Rather, people contract the disease from exposure to the droppings of the infected mice. Influenza. It's originated from Spain in the year 1918. It is a typical flu. Up to 500,000 people worldwide will die from the illness according to World Health Organization. Dengue. It's originated from Thailand, Philippines in the year 1950. Dengue has the lower mortality rate compared to other viruses. Virus can cause an Ebola-like disease called the dengue hemorrhagic fever. Next is the Rotavirus. It starts from the year 2008. Rotavirus can cause severe diarrheal illness among babies and young children. SARS. It's originated from China in the year 2002. SARS causes fever, chills, body aches, and often progresses to pneumonia. It will infect the lungs directly. MERS. This virus originated from Saudi Arabia in 2012 and next again it started in South Korea in the year 2015. It also causes severe pneumonia. It is moreover like to coronaviruses. Here comes the deadliest virus, coronavirus. It's originated from China in the year 2019. This disease is called as COVID-19. It will symptoms of fever, dry cough, and shortness of breath. And the disease can cause progress to pneumonia in severe cases. If you like this video, click the like button, subscribe my channel eMath tutorial. Thank you.